I'm going to keep on hearing this song. I love this song. And
It's beautiful.
since it's Dil Diyan Gallan, हमारा program का नाम भी दिल दियां गल्लां है, तो right from the beginning we selected what should we do, my friend and myself. So she said this is the perfect song. So that's why we usually when I start. So anyway, welcome everyone. My right in front of me is Archana Dave.
Hello.
She learned. I want to welcome her, and she learned during her childhood. Her household, everybody used to sing. So she's been, she has that kind of, she had that kind of an environment where everybody was singing and they were all into music. And then she's been singing since she was 4 years old. And she said she learned from her mom and dad. So your dad also sings? He likes to sing
Yes,
too?
my dad. Yeah, he
Yeah.
does sing. Yeah.
And she also has a guruji from whom she's learning classical singing. And she also does the Kathak and Bharatnatyam since her childhood. And her Bharatnatyam guruji has been Savitri Auntie Ramanand. So are they in India or where are they located?
Savitri Auntie is here in New York.
New York. Okay,
Yeah.
good. So welcome to this platform. I know we just spoke actually a couple of days ago, and I think your mom sent me a message, and that's how we got connected. And rest they say is history. So you're right here with us. So I'm really happy that you could join us. And folks, she's a amazing ghazal singer. That's all I can say. She loves to sing ghazals. She says she used to sing Bollywood, but now she prefers to sing all ghazals or just some. She does poetry and some shairi as well. So here's Archana right here. So welcome, Archana. Um,
Thank you.
my friends are here. We have friends, and let's hear from you.
Thank you very much for having me, Vinaji and Dil Diya Galla. It's nice to be on this show. And I would like to sing a song from a movie, which is a song by Jagjit Singh Ji. And before I sing that, I would like to just say just a few lines that I wrote yesterday.
Oh,
It was just last night. I just wrote it down. It's just very short, but I wrote it down last night, so it's literally really fresh and
okay.
nobody's heard it yet. So आप और सभी दर्शकों ये आप सभी हो जो पहली बार सुन रहे हो ये तो I hope you like it. So होश में तो हर कोई है, होश में तो हर कोई है, तो फिर दिल की कौन सुने। होश में तो हर कोई है, तो फिर दिल की कौन सुने। वो मंजर ही कुछ और हो, वो मंजर ही कुछ और हो, जब खुद को भूल जाएं, जब खुद को भूल जाएं, खुद को भूल जाएं। शुक्रिया।
Well. So it's very
थैंक यू।
amazing. The first time we are so lucky that we could hear it first time, first per people. So isn't she amazing? Like I said, she sings as well, and she's very talented. And she didn't tell me that before. I just heard it first time myself, and I said to her, I said, you know what, you must come back again, because we did a little practice session, and I really liked it. I was listening. I said, oh my gosh, she loves to sing Jagjit Singh and all the ghazal singers, whom I like, and a lot of our friends like them too. Because sometimes we do have ghazal session, and Shelly Ji is here. I want to welcome my friends Ramaji, Shelly Ji, Kamlesh Ji, this a friend of mine, Sargam. She's here, and हाँ, तो यही है. Get more Urva. Okay, Urva. Hi, Urva. How are you? Thanks for joining. That's my one of my team members from Pakistan. She's just joined. So, did you forward the invitation to your friends by any
Yes,
chance?
I did. Yeah. Yeah.
So hopefully they will see them. Anyway, so let's start with the first one. I know it's a favorite of everyone because I know a lot of us have sang it, but अपना सब जो गाते हैं अपनी तरीके से गाते हैं and becomes their own.
Yeah.
So we won't wait that long, and it's a very nice one. But Jagjit Singh होश वालों को खबर क्या. So let's go. Let's hear from you.
Thank you very much. बेखुदी क्या चीज़ है, इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए, इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए, जिंदगी क्या चीज़ है, होश वालों को खबर क्या, बेखुदी क्या चीज़ है। उनसे नजरें क्या मिली, रोशन फिजाएं हो गई। आहा हा हा हा, ला 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 ला, उनसे नजरें क्या मिली, रोशन फिजाएं हो गई। आज जाना प्यार की जादूगरी क्या चीज़ है, आज जाना प्यार की जादूगरी क्या चीज़ है, इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए, इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए, जिंदगी क्या चीज़ है। खुलती जुल्फों ने सिखाई मौसमों को शायरी, ला 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 ला, खुलती जुल्फों ने सिखाई मौसमों को शायरी, झुकती आँखों ने बताया मैं कशी क्या चीज़ है, झुकती आँखों ने बताया मैं कशी क्या चीज़ है, इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए, इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए, जिंदगी क्या चीज़ है। हम लबों से कह न पाए उनसे हाले दिल कभी, ला 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 ला, हम लबों से कह न पाए उनसे हाले दिल कभी, और वो समझे नहीं ये खामोशी क्या चीज़ है, और वो समझे नहीं ये खामोशी क्या चीज़ है, इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए, इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए, जिंदगी क्या चीज़ है।
Wow, I gotta give clap, 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 clap.
Thank you.
Very nice, very nice. I mean, like your mom is there. Very nice, mind blowing, and lovely choice and lovely voice and singing by Anit Kumar, and also Kamlesh ji यहाँ पे लिख रहा है, "Archana, you have a sweet voice, just as you are, and very
Thank you.
very lovely." So a lot of good compliments are coming. Very lovely words and meaningful. Yeah, I mean, गजलों का तो यही तो होता है. Yeah, yes. Hi, Sargam. Yes. So, yes, good morning to everyone and welcome to this platform with Archana. And right now she's visiting her mom, and she actually lives in England, but she's here right now. So we were lucky enough to got introduced by her mom, and I said, you know what, so come over. Although right now through Zoom, England is not too far away. Just same way you get in touch as you would if you're in India, because I have people coming from India as well many times. So it's so nice to. I mean, I really love this ghazal. A lot of people have sang it, but Jagjeet Singh, I think is one of the greatest
Yes.
singers. He's like very emotional. I like the way he puts all himself into it, and that's what I felt that you did. Because when you sing, you got to put yourself all of it, like passion, and everything should be there. And I could feel that when you were singing. So really, really, really enjoyed.
Oh,
I could feel that everybody else did too. Shashi ji, good morning, Shelly ji. So she said classically trained, superior singing. That's from Ramaji.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ये जो सब दिग्गज लोग हैं जो गाने वाले हैं, जगजीत सिंह जी, गुलाम अली जी, मेहंदी हसन जी, हरिहरन जी, ये सब तो बहुत ही ऊंचा है. मैं तो सिर्फ ट्राई कर रही हूँ, और उनकी तरह हूबहू गाना तो इम्पॉसिबल है.
Yeah, that's true.
लेकिन मैं अपनी तरफ से मैं जितना हो सके, आई कैन पुट माई बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड एंड ट्राई एंड सिंग एज मच एज आई कैन टू.
That's what we can do. But यही होता है ना कि there people, but everybody loves to sing their ghazaleं. गाते हैं तो गाते हैं तो sometimes some people sing with passion, some people sing, everybody brings their own taste to the ghazal. So I think you did a fantastic job, and I could feel that everybody really enjoyed it as well. तो अब चलते हैं, next है, this is also I think जगजीत सिंह का ही है
यस,
one.
यस,
And
जगजीत सिंह जी का
ये
है.
दौलत ये दौलत भी.
और
हाँ,
सॉरी,
आप भी थोड़ा बोले. सॉरी, didn't want to cut
मैं
you.
सभी व्यूअर्स को पूछना चाहूंगी,
हाँ.
अम, पूरी जिंदगी में जो हम जीते हैं, उन सभी लम्हों में से वो कौन सा एक लम्हा होता है जो हम कभी भूल नहीं सकते, हमें हमेशा याद रहता है, वो कौन सा है? मुझे जानना है वो व्यूअर्स क्या कह रहे हैं. आई वुड लाइक टू हियर दैट.
Guys, you heard that, so let's see what you say. She's asking all of you some question. तो आप जरा सोच के यहाँ पर लिखें, please. Then I will tell her. Thanks.
From your entire life, which there's one moment, one phase in your life that you will never forget. It's the best part of your life. वो बेहतरीन लम्हा कौन सा है?
Very good question. So we'll ask the um, yeah, that's true. वो कह रहे हैं माइक के बगैर बड़ी अच्छी आवाज आ रही है, तो मैं कहा जरूरी नहीं होता. Sometimes the mic also kind of spoils the singing because उसकी echo आती है, all that stuff comes in. So a lot of people, some people don't like the mic and they sing like this, and I think your voice is coming perfect.
Thank
So
you.
yeah, so in your case you don't need the mic. तो हम चलते हैं next वाला. ये दौलत भी ले लो. This is another very good one. Very good one. So
Okay. Yes. So जो मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा था उनकी आंसर है कि बचपन, तो इससे जुड़ी हुई ये गजल है, ये
हाँ.
दौलत भी ले लो, तो मैं वो ही गाना
Yes,
चाहूंगी.
yes, that's true. It's a very background भी बड़ा अच्छा होता है इसका. When he sings it, there's a background. You can hear a lot of, I think, the children or something like that. In the कुछ मतलब बचपन का ही. हाँ, एंड में बोलता है बचपन का. याद आता है उसको. वो somebody was helping him or somebody refers to someone. तो
Yeah.
बचपन की याद आती है उसको. Yeah. So very 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 nice ghazal. Very nice. So here you go.
Okay. Thank you. दौलत भी ले लो, ये शोहरत भी ले लो, भले छीन लो मुझसे मेरी जवानी, मगर मुझे को लौटा दो बचपन का सावन, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, ये दौलत भी ले लो, ये शोहरत भी ले लो, भले छीन लो मुझसे मेरी जवानी, मगर मुझे को लौटा दो बचपन का सावन, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी। मोहल्ले की सबसे निशानी पुरानी, वो बुढ़िया जिसे बच्चे कहते थे नानी, वो नानी की बातों में परियों का डेरा, वो चेहरे की झुर्रियों में परियों का फेरा, भुलाए नहीं भूल सकता है कोई, वो छोटी सी रातें, वो लंबी कहानी, वो छोटी सी रातें, वो लंबी कहानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी। कड़ी धूप में अपने घर से निकलना, वो चिड़िया वो बुलबुल वो तितली पकड़ना, वो गुड़िया की शादी पे लड़ना झगड़ना, वो झूलों से गिरना, वो गिर के संभलना, वो पीतल के छल्लों के प्यारे से तोहफे, वो टूटी हुई चूड़ियों की निशानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी। कभी रेत के ऊंचे टीलों पे जाना, कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, वो कागज की 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 कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी.
Oh, another amazing. एंड मैं आपके सारे वर्ड सुन रही थी, बिल्कुल बचपन की कैसी यादें.
Yeah.
ही वेंट एंड ही सेड, ये दौलत भी ले लो, ये शोहरत भी ले लो, ये जवानी भी ले लो, पर लुटा दो मुझे बचपन की यादें. मतलब दैट इज ट्रू, यू कांट गेट दोस थिंग्स बैक नो मैटर व्हाट यू हैव. बचपन की यादें यादें ही रह जाती हैं. यू कांट गो बैक इन टाइम.
Yes. Best time.
लॉस्ट टाइम गॉन.
Responsibilities नहीं होती, कुछ नहीं होता, तो it's nice.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. वंडरफुल वंडरफुल. बहुत ही अच्छा गाया आपने. वेरी नाइस. एंड अगेन आई से विद पैशन बिकॉज यू नो you put yourself into it. You do you memorize all these or do you I mean सब गजलें आपको I mean you remember them or you see something, how do you do it? Because it's this
I see the lyrics. Yes.
you see the lyrics, okay? Because somebody I asked the same question, they said they memorize. I said wow, that's really great. Sometimes you know there's some words or something you need a little, you know, like a little extra. थोड़ा सा एक वर्ड भी आ जाए बीच में नजर आ जाए, you remember the whole thing. I know it's not easy. And it's a very very deep thinking one because आपने बड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन किया है. और किसने एक बंदे ने आंसर किया है, सरगम ने आंसर किया है. एंड she said that Veena ji, I'm answering your question. This is Sargam. She said she remembers the first very important day in her life was when she got the, because she also sings, she's a professional singer too. She got her first singing award. She said she'll never forget that day. That's amazing, amazing, Sargam. I know she was here last week. So she's a good friend, and now she's a good singer too. So that's why she answered. I'm asking everybody else. I'm still waiting for your answers. Come on, one by one, please answer your question again. What was the most important day in your life? I guess that's the question, or maybe I'm saying it wrong. Made in my own version, but anyway, very nice and very good choice. आपकी choice कमाल की है, because गजलों की भी so many to choose from, you know, like.
Yeah.
So do you have any special reason that you like these this choice that you have, or just came to your mind? How did you?
It just came to my mind. I just pulled out a list, a playlist, and I just used that to sing today.
Okay, great, great, great. Well, अच्छी choices so far, and then the next one is also very good. I don't remember this one who sang it, but I guess when I hear it, I'll hear you, then I'll remember. So that दो नैनो और एक कहानी. I think
Yes.
I've heard it before.
ये गज़ल बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, और ये फिल्म मासूम से है, लेकिन जो उसकी जो दूसरी गज़ल है, तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी,
that
वो
one I heard.
बहुत वो बहुत पॉपुलर है, बहुत फेमस है. लेकिन ये जो गज़ल है, जो ये इट्स अ डायमंड, वो ऐसा डायमंड है जो इतना खूबसूरत होने के बावजूद कोई इसको सुनता नहीं और कोई गाता भी नहीं. तो इसलिए I love this ghazal very much, and I said I'll present it to everyone today. It's very very nice because it's दो आंखों के बारे में, लेकिन जो इतनी छोटी होने के बावजूद, कितनी छोटी है आंखें, और कितना कुछ उसके साथ गुजर जाता है पूरी जिंदगी में. क्या क्या वो देखती है, क्या गुजरती है, उस पर क्या बीतती है. तो इसी बारे में ये गज़ल है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. तो सभी इत्मीनान से सुनिएगा और आपको शायद पसंद आए.
ये आएगा क्यों, इसी करके नाम है ना, दो नैनो और एक कहानी. That's the reason. Now I understand. So that's very very nice explanation. Thank you for telling us.
एक कहानी, थोड़ा सा बादल, थोड़ा सा पानी और एक कहानी, दो नैना एक कहानी, बादल थोड़ा सा पानी और एक कहानी, दो नैना एक कहानी। छोटी सी दो झीलों में वो बहती रहती है, वो छोटी सी दो झीलों में वो बहती रहती है, कोई सुने या ना सुने कहती रहती है, कुछ लिख के और कुछ जुबानी, और थोड़ा सा बादल, थोड़ा सा पानी और एक कहानी, दो नैना एक कहानी। थोड़ी सी है जानी हुई, थोड़ी सी नहीं, वो थोड़ी सी है जानी हुई, थोड़ी सी नहीं, जहाँ रुके आंसू वही पूरी हो गई, है तो नहीं फिर भी है पुरानी, हो थोड़ा सा बादल, थोड़ा सा पानी और एक कहानी, दो नैना एक कहानी। एक खत्म हो तो दूसरी रात आ जाती है, हो एक खत्म हो तो दूसरी रात आ जाती है, होठों पे फिर भूली हुई बात आ जाती है, दो नैनों की है ये कहानी, हो थोड़ा सा बादल, थोड़ा सा पानी और एक कहानी, दो नैना और एक कहानी।
Wow, that's also. But Heather, I now understand what you was trying to explain. It's makes sense. So it is a very beautiful one. Very, like you said, is very like a diamond. You can say, but many.
Yes.
I think I've heard it maybe once or twice, and not too much. Like you said, जो दूसरी जो गजल जो है वो जो और excuse me, something's wrong with that is more popular. But this one is also very good. But I don't know why it didn't become that popular or famous. I don't know why. What happened?
I don't know.
It's
I
equally
mean,
good.
there's so many diamonds out there.
Exactly.
Uh, there are the lyrics and music composers जिनको वो श्रेय नहीं मिलता उस गाने के लिए, and it does make me feel that I should do more of those kind of songs. And ये जो गज़ल थी वो मेरी मम्मी की भी बहुत फेवरेट है, तो मैं उनको भी डेडिकेट करना चाहती हूँ ये
Good.
जो अभी गाई, उनको भी उनकी बहुत फेवरेट है ये तो.
Yeah, she's also here. Um, yeah, that's what she's saying. My favorite Do Naina Ghazal. If you listen carefully and understand, then you can enjoy Ghazal. It's very difficult to understand. Um, but I am crazy about this thing. I guess that's what she meant. I'm crazy. Yeah. No, now I heard it. I really love it. And she's Shali ji saying it's very beautifully sung. Yeah.
Thank you.
Uh, Anit Kumar is writing that awesome choices. Archana, as always, and always unique song selection. So, and Ramaji is also written over here what was her memorable leave, best memory that she has, or one of the best days that she said one evening when she was listening, she had probably, I think Jagjit Singh did come to New York quite a few times. He had live singing, and then she had made a request, and then he sang Unki Farmash. He sang that song, that ghazal.
Wow.
So that's a memorable.
Wow.
Okay, that is a memorable day. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, one of those famous persons who give them a farmash and they sing it, you feel good.
Mm-hmm.
I want to hear from other people. Come on, Shali ji, आप भी कुछ बताएं, and Kamlesh ji and everybody else. I'd like to hear from all of you. All our listeners, Shashi ji, Neerja is here, um, and who else is Sargam already gave. Yeah, Shali ji, and now I'm just waiting for few of you. Just give us something what is very memorable to you. So we'll mention it here. Okay, and the next one we have is also very good. This is a very good one. किसी नजर को तेरा इंतजार. Did I
Yes.
say it correctly? किसी नजर को अभी I think recently somebody else sang that one too. I think so. If I'm not mistaken. But it's a beautiful one. Very nice. Very nice. अभी और भी कुछ लिख रहे हैं यूसुफ. Just a good selection of songs. Yes. I agree. So, इसके बारे में क्या थोड़ा बता सकते हो कि who sang this one? And
It's sung by भूपेंद्र सिंह जी और आशा भोसले जी, और
okay.
दोनों बहुत ही अच्छे गायक हैं. और भूपेंद्र सिंह जी is not anymore in this world, but yeah, but he sang this beautifully, and it's from the movie Etbar.
Atbar?
Etbar, 1985.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm saying. Somebody, yeah, it's a very beautiful one. And they sang it very well. I remember this one very well actually. So let's hear it. Archana.
Okay. किसी नजर को तेरा इंतजार आज भी है, किसी नजर को तेरा इंतजार आज भी है. कहाँ हो तुम कि दिल बेकरार आज किसी नजर को तेरा इंतजार आज भी है। ना जाने देख के क्यों उनको ये हुआ एहसास, ना जाने देख के क्यों उनको ये हुआ एहसास कि मेरे दिल पे उन्हें इख्तियार आज भी है। ओ किसी नजर को तेरा इंतजार आज भी है। वो प्यार जिसके लिए हमने छोड़ दी दुनिया, वो प्यार जिसके लिए हमने छोड़ दी दुनिया, वफा की राह में घायल वो प्यार आज भी है। ओ वो प्यार जिसके लिए हमने छोड़ दी दुनिया। यकीन नहीं है मगर आज भी ये लगता है, यकीन नहीं है मगर आज भी ये लगता है, मेरी तलाश में शायद बाहर आज भी है। ओ किसी नजर को तेरा इंतजार आज भी है। न पूछ कितने मोहब्बत के जख्म खाए हैं, न पूछ कितने मोहब्बत के जख्म खाए हैं, कि जिनको सोच के दिल सवार आज भी है। ओ प्यार जिसके लिए हमने छोड़ दी दुनिया, वो प्यार जिसमें घायल वो प्यार आज भी है। वो किसी नजर को तेरा इंतजार आज भी है। कहाँ हो तुम कि ये दिल बेकरार आज भी है। हो किसी नजर को तेरा इंतजार आज भी है, किसी नजर को तेरा इंतजार आज भी है।
Wow, beautiful. And such deep meaning. Here we, people are making the comment. It is Two people said the same thing, which is amazing. That ghazals are connections to your soul.
So,
The two people made the same comment. So that's surprising, but they are. I think they really touch your soul. They really do, because इतनी deep meaning होती है, and
yes.
that's why only certain people like. Not everybody likes ghazal. They like all the songs, and you dance करके वापस आ जाते हैं, and then you don't remember what you heard. But these are like they really touch your soul, and then you do remember them. And they, because they really makes you think of a lot of things when you are listening to the words. So that's what I feel about the ghazals. That's why I like ghazals. I love ghazals also. And all the singers जो गाते भी हैं, गुलाम अली, जगजीत सिंह, हरी
Yeah.
जैसे आपने बोला, they all sing with, जैसे गाते हैं, you can see the way they sing, like it's
Yeah.
everything of themselves into it, which are
Yeah.
which makes a big difference. Even Chitra was very good too. Chitra,
Beautiful.
she was very good too.
Yeah. Her voice is really beautiful,
Yeah,
really
again,
sweet, and yeah.
they used to compliment each other a lot, but they had the tragedy, then they stopped singing together, and all that happened in their life. But when they were doing it together, they were complimenting and they were singing very nicely. Some of the girls
Yeah,
were
they
hmm?
they really smashed it to the skies. It
Yeah,
was it
exactly.
was really good.
They sang such beautiful ghazals together. Really, they did.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing.
They complemented each other.
Exactly.
It
That's
was
what I'm
it
saying.
was
They
really good.
complemented each other.
Yeah.
Hi, welcome, Anju. Hi. There's some new people just joined. Hi, Anju. I hope you're listening. तो अब चलते हैं नेक्स्ट वाले में. आप जिनके करीब होते हैं, right?
Yeah. पंकज उदास जी की गजल है ये. तो let's start singing it.
You also do, yeah.
आप जिनके करीब होते हैं, आप जिनके करीब होते हैं, वो बड़े खुश नसीब होते हैं। आप जिनके करीब होते हैं, आप जिनके करीब होते हैं। जब तबीयत किसी पे आती है, जब तबीयत किसी पे आती है, मौत के दिन करीब होते हैं, मौत के दिन करीब होते हैं, वो बड़े खुश नसीब होते हैं। आप जिनके करीब होते हैं। मुझसे मिलना फिर आपका मिलना, मुझसे मिलना फिर आपका मिलना, आप किसको नसीब होते हैं, जिसको नसीब होते हैं वो बड़े खुश नसीब होते हैं। आप जिनके करीब होते हैं। जुल्म सह कर जो उफ नहीं करते, जुल्म सह कर जो उफ नहीं करते, उनके दिल भी अजीब होते हैं, उनके दिल भी अजीब होते हैं। वो बड़े खुश नसीब होते हैं। आप जिनके करीब होते हैं, आप जिनके करीब होते हैं।
Another one which is very deep thinking. आप जिनके करीब होते हैं वो खुश नसीब होते हैं, बिल्कुल वैसे very वही सब कह रहे हैं। Another of this ghazal, each ghazal has great deep meaningful, touches the heart. So proud of you. And और भी किसने, वाह वाह अर्चना जी, क्या बात है, खुश कर दिया आपने।
Oh, thank you.
Beautiful singing. Anju's is watching. Beautiful. Ghazals are connected. दिखा था किसने, ghazals are connection to your soul. I agree. Two people wrote the same thing. Anyway, we're going to go to the next one. Then we might not have any time for the next two. But like I said, the time goes so fast when you're enjoying, you know. Time का तो पता नहीं चलता, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं चला time. I thought we just started, but the time, when you look at the time, but the next one is, you know, amazing. मुझे तुम नजर से देखा।
गिरा तो रहे हो, ये मेहंदी हसन जी की गज़ल है। और इस पे मैंने इससे जुड़ी हुई मैंने 2-4 लाइन पोइट्री जैसा कुछ छोटा लिखा हुआ है। तो इफ आपकी इजाज़त हो तो मैं श्योर। थैंक यू। बेशक तुम बादशाह हो गए हो मुझे गिरा के, बेशक तुम बादशाह हो गए हो मुझे गिरा के, खुद ही खुदा हो गए हो मुझे गिरा के, खुद ही खुदा हो गए हो मुझे गिरा के। कबूल है मुझे सारी तहमतें, कबूल है मुझे सारी तहमतें, गर मिलती हैं तुम्हें राहतें, गर मिलती हैं तुम्हें राहतें, गर मिलती हैं तुम्हें राहतें। तो ये मैंने खुद लिखा हुआ है। मेरी
very nice, very deep meaning too, very deep meaning. बिल्कुल, बहुत ही अच्छा। एंड तो चलो सुनते हैं इसको, because he's very good too. Mehdi Hasan, he sings very good, and I like his ghazal.
Sorry.
No, go ahead, please.
न जाने मुझे क्यों यकीन हो चला है मेरे प्यार को तुम मिटा ना सकोगे मुझे तुम नजर से। मेरी याद होगी जिधर जाओगे तुम कभी नगमा बन के कभी बन के आंसू मेरी याद होगी जिधर जाओगे तुम कभी नगमा बन के कभी बन के आंसू कभी नगमा बन के कभी बन के आंसू तड़पता मुझे हर तरफ पाओगे तुम शमा जो जलाई है मेरी वफा ने बुझाना भी चाहो बुझा ना सकोगे मुझे तुम नजर से। कभी नाम बातों में आया जो मेरा तू बेचैन हो के दिल थाम लोगे कभी नाम बातों में आया जो मेरा तू बेचैन हो के दिल थाम लोगे तू बेचैन हो के दिल थाम लोगे निगाहों में छाएगा गम का अंधेरा किसने जो पूछा सबब आंसुओं का बताना भी चाहो बता ना सकोगे मुझे तुम नजर से गिरा तो रहे हो मुझे तुम कभी भी भुला ना सकोगे न जाने मुझे क्यों यकीन हो गया है मेरे प्यार को तुम मिटा ना सकोगे मुझे तुम नजर से
वाह, आपने जो पहले शायरी बोली थी ना, goes perfectly with this. That's why you said that way. It goes well because
Yeah.
that is very touching, very very. कितने लोगों ने लिखा है कि इस वाह, क्या दिल से गा रही हो अर्चना, अर्चना.
Oh, thank you.
And I'm thanking your mom for introducing me to you, and because she's thanking me, I said, no, you don't have to thank me, I have to thank you. And is there any reason that this is another question somebody's asking me? I asked the same question to you. Is there any reason that you don't like to sing Bollywood? Because you like to only, because she used to sing before, that's what she told me. Now she prefers to sing ghazals.
Yes, I prefer singing ghazals because, like somebody said there, they're more connected to the soul,
Yes.
and I prefer connection to the soul because और दूसरी बात ये है कि बॉलीवुड हिप हॉप रिमिक्स ये सब तो दिन दुनी रात चौगुना बढ़ेगा वो तो कोई कोई सीमा ही नहीं है वो बढ़ेगी लेकिन ये जो गज़लें हैं हमारी पुरानी पुरानी जो गज़लें हैं वो कहीं खोती जा रही हैं गुम होती जा रही हैं तो उसी वजह से मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अपना थोड़ा सा कंट्रीब्यूशन गज़लों की तरफ दूं तो शायद लोग सुने या कुछ और ऐसे बिकॉज इट्स गोइंग टू जस्ट वैनिश अदरवाइज क्योंकि सभी लोग बॉलीवुड को ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं गज़लों की बदले so I feel like that's why because I don't want it to lose I don't want to lose that so I'm trying to grab it with both my hands.
Also, the new generation, they some of them will like this classical thing, but some the ghazalein and all that. Aajkal generation thoda different. They like all those kind of songs where they can dance and do all that music. And हमको तो याद नहीं रहता कौन सा गाना सुना था, क्या words थे, कुछ भी याद नहीं रहते. We don't remember. But the ghazalein you do remember because they connect you with the soul, like everybody's saying. So, which is true. And then once anything connects to your soul, you do remember. Because it touches you there.
Yeah.
So these ghazals are like that. That's why they are always. I mean, it's such a beautiful 1 hour. I can't even tell you how much I enjoyed personally, and I'm sure because normally when we have mixed type. Abhi last time bhi hua tha hamare program mein, which I think I sent you. There was also ghazals, I think. So we have ghazals program too, but yours was all you sang a variety, which was amazing selection, like everybody's saying.
Thank you.
And Shaliji is saying that I believe that you also get a lot of peace when you are singing ghazals and connected to your soul. Exactly.
Definitely.
That's
Definitely.
what it's all about. And when you have a connection with something, so I mean, जो जिन्होंने भी लिखे हैं और उन्होंने खुद लिखे हैं, they
Yes.
won't, then they see you can see behind the curtain what they're thinking and what they are about. What they
It's
are.
amazing.
It's
Yeah.
what they're thinking and what they are. Other songs you really don't know what they're thinking, what they're doing. They just want the public to go
Yeah.
crazy.
They're
That's
very deep. They're very deep
exactly
inside
very
and
deep on the side.
meaningful, and the music and the melodies are just amazing.
Exactly.
I just love ghazals.
I agree 100%. So अभी थोड़े आपके रह गए हैं तो I'm requesting you, we can think about next week. Let me know, and because you can also do the poetry with that a little bit. That'd be great because each one I understood each one that when you said it that I said that
Connected. Yeah.
connected to the
ghazal itself.
yeah, exactly. So it really meant you get a double meaning of it. So I will say thank you so much for this
Thank you.
wonderful 1 hour for coming, and I have to thank your mom and all the amazing friends who joined us. And I want to thank all of you for joining. Keep on forwarding the program and keep on telling your friends to join, because you know what, कभी कभी ऐसे कलाकार मिलते हैं जो आते हैं and then they sing. So our friends, when we have singers like even Shali ji आती हैं, Rama ji आती हैं, so programs should be forwarded to other people. So अपने timeline में share करो, share it with your timelines when we have this program so that other people can also watch. Who are your friends? Each person, if they put it on the timeline, a lot of people can watch this amazing program. So we try to bring the best we can. Dil Diyan Gallan, we try our best to We've been doing this for 3 years and almost 3 years and 5 months now, and we'll continue to do so. But also, we need your help. Please forward, and also do subscribe to our YouTube channel and Instagram, and then that'll be make us, more get more subscribers. That'll be great for the program. So it's done single-handedly by me, but including, of course, all the guests and all the people who come every day. I mean, every 3 days a week. So I want to request all of you to please join us this coming Friday. We have Shukrana Hota Hai Hamara, and it's going to be bhajans and all that. And this person, she's coming from India, and you've seen her before. Her name is Ruchika Kashyap. She'll be joining. So have a wonderful day, all of you who joined today, and I'm sure a lot of people will listen to it afterwards because the program does circulate around the world, goes around. So thank you so much, Archana, for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you very much to all the viewers, and thank you very much, Veena ji, for having me. Thank you very much.
I was so busy talking and listening that I forgot to take a picture, which I'm going to do right now. Thank you so much once again to all of you, and have a wonderful day. Wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank to you. Bye.